I'm Wendy the Wombat. I'm a northern hairy-nosed wombat and I'm the largest of the 3 species of wombat found in Australia. I can grow to lengths of 1 metre and grow up to 30 centimetres tall. The males in my family can weigh up to 35 kilograms, but we females can outweigh them and weigh up to 40 kilograms. We have broad heads with short stocky limbs with sharp claws for digging, sometimes reaching 90 metres in length. We have mainly brown silky fur, sometimes speckled with black or grey. Cute, huh? We have short brown hairs covering our distinct noses. I kind of like that we are nocturnal animals, spending most of our time in the cool of our burrows sleeping and only venturing out for 2 to 6 hours a night to forage for food. Yum yum! We can only be found in a very small area compared to the other 2 species, the common wombat and the southern hairy-nosed wombat. In 1996, we were classified as critically endangered on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature's Red List after 14 years on the endangered list. My family's ancestors were part of a small population that were found in central Queensland in what is now known as the Epping Forest National Park. By 1982, my family's numbers had declined even further to just 30 individuals. Can you believe it? 30. This was due to the degradation of the environment, so some caring humans removed the cattle for us. We are shy animals, which sometimes makes it difficult for the humans to track how many of us there are left. From the late 1980s to the early 1990s, capture and release methods were used, but this caused disruption in our family. Since then, the humans leave sticky traps at the entrance of our burrows. We like this much better as it just collects the loose hairs on our backs, and we don't mind that. In Epping Forest National Park, population counts have been conducted over many years. In the early 1990s, there were estimated 63 family members. In 2000, there were 113 individuals counted, and in 2010, the most recent count was 163 wombats. Unfortunately, in 2000 and 2001, dingoes invaded and killed 9 of my family. Luckily, this prompted the humans to erect a 20-kilometre fence standing 2 metres tall that surrounds our home and protects us. This fence is monitored twice daily to ensure its upkeep. We feel much safer now. The humans at Epping Forest National Park look after our home by controlling the weeds, managing against fires and controlling predators. Introduced buffalo grass is slashed on a regular basis as an attempt to get native species to outgrow introduced species. The native species taste much better. Food and water stations are placed throughout the site to help us obtain these necessities and reduce the amount of energy we would normally use to find it. In 2009, 14 family members and myself were relocated from Epping Forest National Park as a type of rewilding. Rewilding is the concept of reintroducing a species into habitats in which they once lived. We were moved by air and road to a second location as a means of increasing our inhabited area. This second location is a cattle property, which includes a 105-hectare eucalyptus forest, which was donated by a family willing to assist the humans in our repopulation. This second location is called Richwood Underwood Nature Refuge, named after the family who donated it. In the event a tragedy was to occur, such as disease or natural disaster, having 2 locations where my family can be found increases our survival chances. The humans at the Richwood Underwood Nature Refuge used a big bulldozer drill to dig 28 burrows for us. This saves us digging out our own, which uses energy and time. It's a bit like a health resort. A team from Epping Forest National Park are currently searching for a 3rd site for us to live. This site would ideally be 400 hectares or larger with suitable deep and sandy soils, which is easy to burrow in with